Halloween is a time for spooky fun. One of the best ways to celebrate is by making your own decorations. We can use simple things from around the house. It's easy and exciting. Get ready for some spooky crafting fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun ideas. Before we start, let's gather our spooky supplies. We will need some things you can find right at home. Construction paper, scissors, and glue will be our magic tools. Don't forget markers, crayons, and maybe some googly eyes. Let's make a classic Halloween decoration, a paper plate pumpkin. We will paint a paper plate orange. Once it's dry, we'll cut out a green stem, a spooky mouth, and eyes. Glue them onto your pumpkin. Now you have a friendly pumpkin friend. Let's make some spooky bats. Paint a toilet paper roll black. Cut out some black wings and pointy ears from construction paper. Glue the wings and ears to your bat. Add some googly eyes for extra spookiness. Section 5. Cotton ball ghosts. Beautiful and easy. Making ghosts is super easy. Glue some fluffy cotton balls onto a piece of paper. Draw a spooky but not scary face on each ghost with a black marker. Now you have a friendly ghost family. Creepy, crawly spiders, 8 legs of fun. Halloween is the perfect time to get creative with some spooky crafts. Today, we're going to show you how to make your very own spider decorations that are both creepy and fun. Spiders are spooky and fun to make. These little critters are a staple of Halloween decor, and making them can be a delightful activity for kids and adults alike. Whether you're decorating your home for a Halloween party or just looking for a fun project to do with the family, these spider crafts are sure to bring a smile to everyone's face. First, paint a small styrofoam ball black. Let it dry completely. This will be the body of your spider. You can use any type of black paint, but acrylic paint works best because it dries quickly and gives a nice, even coat. Make sure to cover the entire surface of the styrofoam ball, and don't forget to let it dry thoroughly before moving on to the next step. Next, glue 8 black pipe cleaner legs to the body. Pipe cleaners are perfect for this because they are flexible and easy to work with. Cut each pipe cleaner in half to create the legs, and then bend them slightly to give them a more realistic look. Attach the legs to the sides of the styrofoam ball using a strong adhesive, such as hot glue or craft glue. Make sure the legs are evenly spaced around the body to give your spider a balanced appearance. Now, add some googly eyes. Googly eyes come in various sizes, so you can choose the ones that best fit your spider. For a more whimsical look, you can even use different sizes of eyes. Attach the eyes to the front of the styrofoam ball using a small dab of glue. If you want to get creative, you can add other features to your spider, such as a mouth or fangs, using markers or small pieces of felt. And there you have it. Your spider is ready to crawl. Display your spooky creation around your home or use it as a fun centerpiece for your Halloween party. These spider crafts are not only easy to make, but they also provide a great opportunity for kids to practice their fine motor skills and creativity. So gather your supplies and get crafting. Your 8-legged friends are waiting to come to life. Magical milk jug lanterns. Light up the night. Halloween is a time for creativity and fun, and what better way to celebrate than by making your very own glowing lanterns? These magical milk jug lanterns are not only easy to create, but also a fantastic way to recycle and repurpose everyday items. Let's dive into this enchanting craft and light up the night with our spooky creations. Let's make some lanterns that glow. Gather your supplies: empty milk jugs, permanent markers, battery-operated tea lights, and a pair of scissors. This is a perfect activity for kids and adults alike, bringing families together for some Halloween fun. Imagine the delight on the faces of your little ones as they see their creations come to life, glowing eerily in the dark. Draw a spooky face on an empty milk jug using a permanent marker. Get creative with your designs. Think of ghosts, goblins, witches, or even friendly monsters. The possibilities are endless. Encourage the kids to let their imaginations run wild. This step is all about expressing your Halloween spirit and having fun with it. Don't worry about making it perfect. The charm lies in the uniqueness of each lantern. Carefully cut a hole in the back of the jug. This will be where you insert the tea light. Make sure to do this step with caution, especially if children are involved. It's always a good idea to have an adult handle the cutting to ensure safety. The hole should be just big enough to fit the tea light snugly inside. This step is crucial for creating that magical glow. Then, place a battery-operated tea light inside for a spooky glow. Once the tea light is in place, turn it on and watch your lantern come to life. The soft, eerie glow will add a perfect touch to your Halloween decorations. You can place these lanterns along your walkway, on your porch, or even inside your home to create a festive atmosphere. They are sure to be a hit with trick-or-treaters and guests alike. Enjoy the magical ambiance and the joy of having created something special with your own hands. Happy Halloween! Spooky safety reminders. Remember to always be safe when crafting. Little ones need help using scissors. And remember, paint can stain clothes, so wear an old shirt. Now let's get back to the fun. Show off your spooktacular creations. You did it! You've created some spooktacular Halloween decorations. From creepy cobwebs to eerie ghosts, your creativity has brought the Halloween spirit to life. Each craft is a testament to your imagination and hard work. Now it's time to show them off. Display your spooky creations for everyone to see. Whether it's a haunted house made from cardboard or a ghostly figure crafted from old sheets, let your decorations take center stage. Hang them around your house for everyone to admire. Transform your living room into a haunted mansion or your front yard into a spooky graveyard. The possibilities are endless, and the more creative you get, the more fun you'll have. You can even give them as gifts to friends and family. Imagine the joy on their faces when they receive a handmade Halloween decoration. It's a wonderful way to share the Halloween spirit and show how much you care. Remember, Halloween is all about using your imagination and having fun. It's a time to let your creativity run wild and to enjoy the spooky season with friends and family. Whether you're making crafts, dressing up in costumes, or telling ghost stories, the most important thing is to have a great time. Did you know that if you see a spider on Halloween, it might be a lost soul looking for its way home? According to folklore, spiders are believed to be the spirits of loved ones watching over us. So if you spot a spider on your Halloween decorations, consider it a good omen. Happy Halloween! Halloween is also a great time to get the whole family involved in crafting. Carve pumpkins together, paint spooky scenes, or create a haunted house out of cardboard. These activities not only bring everyone together, but also create lasting memories. And don't forget about the costumes. Dressing up is one of the best parts of Halloween. Whether you're a witch, a ghost, or a superhero, your costume is an extension of your creativity. Show off your costume along with your crafts for a truly spooktacular display. Another fun Halloween tradition is telling ghost stories. Gather around a campfire or sit in a dimly lit room and share your spookiest tales. It's a great way to get into the Halloween spirit and to enjoy some chills and thrills with friends and family. And let's not forget about the treats. Halloween is the perfect time to make and enjoy some delicious spooky snacks. Decorate cookies with creepy designs, make ghost-shaped marshmallows, or create a haunted gingerbread house. These treats are not only fun to make but also delicious to eat. Halloween games are another great way to celebrate. From bobbing for apples to a spooky scavenger hunt, there are plenty of fun activities to keep everyone entertained. Plan a Halloween party with games, crafts, and treats for a night of spooky fun. Watching Halloween movies is another fantastic way to get into the spirit. Whether you prefer classic horror films or family-friendly spooky movies, there's something for everyone. Gather your family, make some popcorn, and enjoy a Halloween movie marathon. If you're looking for an adventure, visit a local haunted house or spooky attraction. These events are designed to give you a good scare and are a fun way to experience the thrill of Halloween. Just be sure to hold on tight and enjoy the ride. Lighting Halloween lanterns is a beautiful tradition that adds a magical touch to the night. Whether you're lighting jack-o'-lanterns or hanging lanterns around your home, the warm glow creates a spooky yet enchanting atmosphere. So, this Halloween, let your creativity shine. Show off your spooktacular creations, enjoy fun activities with your family, and make the most of this magical season. Happy Halloween!